Oi everybody, Juliana here. In today's video I will show you one of the most popular recipes out there, banana bread. When we talk about banana bread, we are looking for a dark crunchy crust on the outside with a very moist inside. To bring it to the next level, we will of course add the king of all desserts, chocolate. I will show you not just the best classic recipe, but also a delicious, healthier, gluten-free and dairy-free version. And the Portuguese word of the day is a very easy one, pão, which of course means bread. First, prepare your pan with oil and parchment paper. And get your oven ready. For our first banana bread, add into a bowl 360 grams of flour, 2 grams of baking powder, 5 grams of baking soda, 2 grams of salt, 3 grams of cinnamon, some cloves if you like it. I love it. I think it works perfectly with cinnamon and banana. Mix all the dry ingredients together and set aside. Let's get our banana puree ready. I always have frozen bananas or some puree already made. Blend the bananas making a puree, or if you don't have one, you can just smash the bananas into the wet ingredients. Making sure you're using very ripened bananas. In another bowl, bring 150 grams of brown sugar, 150 grams of granulated sugar. Whisk the ingredients as you add them. 225 grams of melted butter. Make sure to cool it down before adding. 3 eggs. And 360 grams of banana puree. Mix all very well until well combined and very smooth. We also will need 180 grams of sour cream. Add the dry ingredients into the wet in 2 parts, alternating with the sour cream. Combine until all your dry ingredients are incorporated. Very gently, do not remix it. Pour the mix into the pan and fill it about 3/4. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the middle of the bread comes out clean. When it's ready, you will see the beautiful dark crust and on the top a nice crack. While it's cooling, let's make the milk chocolate and banana topping. So, for making this banana bread stand out, I made this chocolate ganache inspired from a recipe from a Brazilian pastry chef. It's made with just milk chocolate and banana. Melt 250 grams of milk chocolate. You can use the microwave. Add 150 grams of smashed bananas into the chocolate. A pinch of salt, and blend it until very smooth. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate about 30 minutes. When the banana bread is cool, cover with the ganache and make it look very nice. I like to make a rustic style for my banana bread. The texture inside is insanely moist, and the ganache just gives it that special touch. Now for our healthy banana bread. Heat the oven and prepare the pan as before. In a bowl, add 150 grams of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some cloves. In another bowl, add 250 grams of banana puree. Add 2 eggs and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 grams of coconut milk, unsweetened and organic coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of honey or another sweetener of your choice, 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil or another oil you want to use. Mix all together until smooth. Combine both balls together, adding the dry ingredients to the wet and mix until all incorporated. Add a half a cup of 70% chopped dark chocolate and fold it in. Pour your mix into the prepared pan and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. You can eat it without feeling guilty. It's also gluten-free. These banana breads are simply delicious and really at the next level. I love to have a plain banana bread, but one with this crazy delicious ganache really stands out. The healthy version is even more moist than the classic. They really are must-try recipes. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.